Hi everyone, in this video I will take you through the 5 structured and proven steps to learning machine learning and artificial intelligence. If you go into studying machine learning without any guidance, frustration may set in quickly and you may lose the motivation you started with. The inability to understand why you are studying a specific topic or how that specific topic connects with the big picture makes learning uninteresting and much slower than it can be. At the end of this video, you will have a very clear pathway to studying machine learning in a very structured way that keeps you motivated and excited all through. Your curiosity will be fired up, your pacing will remain consistent and even accelerated simply because you know where you are on your journey and you can tell how far away you are from your intended destination. Let us start with the parable of a farmer. A man was going to start a farming business. He figured out that he needed to have an understanding of the farming ecosystem, the types, either mechanized or commercial, subsistence farming or other types. A clear understanding of the types helps him choose a suitable type or system of farming based on his interest, capacity and disposable time and income he had. He went on to learn the language and terms of agriculture so that he could speak in terms of agricultural implements, crops, tools, farm machines, farm yield, farm subsidy, pricing, etc. That was his first step. However, before he commenced on this journey, it was clear to him that the output, that is the produce of his farm, is largely dependent on the volume and quality of the seed he was going to plant. Unfortunately, the seed available to him were never going to be pure, never worthy to be planted as is. He needed to purify them, clean them, treat them with chemicals and ensure he picks out the best out of those seedlings. So he thought to himself, what tool will I need to sieve this seed? That was his second step. He went on to get those tools and the farm implements that he will need to process the seeds so that he will get the right volume of seeds which are going to be of very good quality to ensure that the output was guaranteed to be great. That was exactly his third step. Having done that, he launched into basic plantings to get familiar with what was possible. Doing that, he was developing intuition and better understanding of how farming works. He tried different planting methods, different soil types that provided him the best yield, different pricing mechanisms, better pest and disease control, and so on and so forth, all geared towards achieving better yield and quality outputs. He continues looking for better ways to improve his crop yields. That was his last step, but it was also a continuous process. Now, coming back to our topic, you must understand the context and the big picture. This is the farm business in our analogy, in the parable of the farmer. You must ensure you have a good glimpse into the entire landscape and learn to code in Python, that is the agricultural language in our analogy. Secondly, you must acquire the knowledge of the essential tool sets for data processing. These are the farm implements and tools in our parable that are needed for high quality and good volume of seed. Remember, the seed in our parable refers to our data. The quality of the seed that a farmer has determines the output. Likewise, in machine learning, the quality of your data determines the quality of the model that you are going to generate out of it. 3 major tools you will need are in the form of Python libraries, namely Pandas, which is crucial for data manipulation, analysis, and pre-processing. NumPy, essential for numerical operations and multi-dimensional array processing. Matplotlib, which is important for data visualization and plotting. Thirdly, you launch into the classicals. There are certain classical algorithms in machine learning. There are about 10 or 12 of them, depending on the depth that you want to go. So you launch into that classical, you dive into a library of Python called Scikit-learn. The fourth step is for you to dive deep into deep learning, neural networks. Then the fifth step is for you to explore the ocean. Exploring the ocean means you just continue to learn. There is no stopping. There is no arrival in the artificial intelligence space. You just have to keep learning. Things are developing every day. Things are evolving daily. You need to keep up with what is going on in the industry. So you explore further and continue with lifelong learning. Keep learning. Don't stop. So that is it. I hope this helps you in your learning journey. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you, and see you next time.